Okay, so kindly, okay, so I'll talk about the lesson for today, no? These sets of lessons that we will be having from the beginning, no? So can you refresh my memory as to what you have learned so far? Unsa man to atong giistoryahan? What are the major takeaways that you can tell me? Anybody, no? Na inyong ma-recall dito sa last lesson? You were introduced to statistics. Can anybody tell me any major takeaways of what you have learned? Wa gid? Naa sa tingali. Sige, go ahead. Kapag ikaw basa ng libro ako, baga kayo. Atong statistics. So go ahead, anybody? Sige, Miss Justine Manleon, what have you learned so far during the last
Good.
meetings discussion?
So good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. So the
Ano
lesson
isa ram
that,
sa kamot? Wala isa ra day.
sir,
Okay.
na
Sige.
dungog ko. Nadungog ra ko, sir. Hello.
Hmm?
Nadungog ra ko, sir. Okay.
Yes.
So good morning,
Yes,
everyone.
yes.
So the
Yes.
lesson that I've learned about the statistic is it's all about the population, what is the meaning of population, the sample, which is ang katong ang population kay ang katong the entire totally about sa kuan sa the entire totally din about sa sample is ang yang subset taken sa population. Then ang katong parameter kay kato siyang
Okay.
measurement or
All right.
characteristics sa
Anybody
kuan
else?
sa population. So thank you, sir.
Mm. Okay. Thank you. Anybody else? Anybody? Any other major takeaways? Ubay-ubay man to. Murag katunga pa to, naa pa to sa kauban. What else? Sige, Miss Kwan, Miss Jupiter. Sunod ni si Miss Olive. What have you learned so far?
One, I've learned so
Good
far
morning.
sa atong last meeting is there's many different types of sampling like a con difference mga different sampling, mga continuous, discrete, nominal, ordinal, ratio, and many more.
So, sampling techniques, no? All right. Okay. Action. Balhin sa kabalit. Maybe it was my connection. Murag okay na. So, am I audible? Murag may
Yes,
istorya sa
sir.
inyo.
Copy ka, sir.
Kanya medyo
Nawala ang presentation pod, sir.
Karon sir, nilag ka sir.
Alright, so mag ako'y nawa ato. challenging internet connection na wala na sad. Kadali ha. I'll get another connection. Mag-data ko.
Okay, sir.
Mawa dyan po ni, ma-disconnect dyan po ni. Hotspot ko. Hotspot. So hopefully this is going to be better, no? Ka-realize ko na amday ko yung data, so mag-data na lang ko. Kaya medyo na consumption na sa dud ko sukat pag Tuesday. Mga ikog na sa no? Na sige tagka wala-wala. Is this better? Can you hear me? To
Yes.
begin